ever wondered why that lawnmower refuses to start, or why the chainsaw fails to cut as efficiently as it used to? Welcome to a comprehensive guide on outdoor power equipment care and repair, based on the book Outdoor Power Equipment Care and Repair, Small Engine Guide, Part -1. Chapter 1 dives into the world of small engines. It explains how they operate and why they are the heart of your outdoor power equipment. The chapter also uncovers the mystery of why small engines often fail to start, highlighting the importance of regular maintenance and proper storage. In Chapter 2, we delve into the specifics of lawnmower care. From the importance of sharp blades to the appropriate oil types, this chapter covers it all. It also emphasizes the necessity of regular cleaning, which can significantly prolong the life of a lawnmower. Chapter 3 is all about chainsaws. The chapter illustrates how an efficient chainsaw can make outdoor tasks a breeze. It also discusses the various elements that can affect the performance of a chainsaw, such as blunt blades, poor lubrication, and incorrect fuel mixture. Chapter 4 focuses on leaf blowers. This chapter highlights the importance of maintaining a clean air filter and proper fuel storage. It also discusses the potential problems that can arise from a clogged carburetor and how to deal with them. In Chapter 5, we explore the realm of snowblowers. The chapter emphasizes the importance of timely maintenance, especially before the onset of winter. It also details the unique challenges that cold weather can pose to small engines and how to effectively combat them. Chapter 6 offers a comprehensive guide on pressure washers. It explains how a well-maintained washer can make cleaning tasks effortless. The chapter also discusses the common issues faced by pressure washers, such as low pressure, and provides practical solutions for them. Finally, Chapter 7 summarizes the importance of regular maintenance and timely repairs. It reiterates the fact that a well-maintained piece of equipment not only operates efficiently, but also lasts longer. To summarize, this video guide, based on the book Outdoor Power Equipment Care and Repair, Small Engine Guide, Part -1, offers a detailed look into the care and repair of outdoor power equipment. It emphasizes the importance of understanding how small engines operate, the necessity of regular maintenance, and the need for timely repairs. So, the next time that lawnmower refuses to start or the chainsaw isn't cutting as efficiently as it should, remember the key points discussed here. Proper care and maintenance can make a world of difference to the performance and longevity of outdoor power equipment. We hope you found this guide useful and informative. If so, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. We love hearing from you, so please feel free to leave any comments or questions you may have in the section below. For a more detailed guide, we strongly recommend you to check out the book Outdoor Power Equipment Care and Repair, Small Engine Guide Part -1. Remember, proper care and maintenance not only prolongs the life of your outdoor power equipment, but also ensures optimal performance. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.